Hey guys, hello everyone. Good evening, people. Hi, hello. Guys, am I audible and visible clearly? Just give me a thumbs up in the chat and let me know that am I audible to you all. Hi, we are live, guys. I hope you all can see me and hear me. Hi, yes, audible. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for your confirmation. So yeah, I will start with my introduction first. So my name is Anam Khan. I'm one of the team member of Let's Upgrade, and I'm here just to give you all about a short brief about this session. We will build YouTube clone using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's a 2 days bootcamp project workshop, and it will be of 2 hours. Basics, yes, we'll try to teach you from basics, but we you need to know the prerequisites. We have already mentioned the link in the description box, sorry, all-in-one documentation that you can find here in the description box. Here is the Notion file. We have uploaded all the links for your prerequisites. Please go through it and make sure you know the basics and all. So yeah, guys, this is the documentation, and here we have all the links, session links, enrollment links, attendance links, and everything. And here in the description box, here is attendance link is there. Click on this link if you want to get the certificate, and make sure you are marking your attendance on these 2 days. And here is the page where you will land. Okay, it's taking time. um, Okay, so yeah, sir, guys, here beside the day one title, here you can see mark attendance toggle. Click on this toggle. Here is a scale on 0 to 10. You can rate this session according to yourself, how much you like the session. If you are enjoying, give on 10 to 10. If you like sir's way of teaching, please rate the session and give a feedback here. Here now, I will give nothing for now, but you can rate. Acha. But you can put your feedback there if you have any. And here is the Discord and WhatsApp channel link. We are building community, and if you want daily invites and daily invites, reminders, and upcoming events link, join on our channel and get those from there. And yeah, this was the attendance part and document. This is a documentation page. You will find all the links in the description box. And if you have any doubt, anything to know, you can ask us in the chat. Hindi, okay. Again, once again, I will explain in Hindi. Description box में attendance link है. आप वहाँ पे जाके अपना attendance mark कर सकते हैं. Again, तो ये पेज पे आपको अटेंडेंस लिंक लेके जाएगा, एंड डे वन के टाइटल के बाजू में मार्क अटेंडेंस टॉगल है. वहां से आपको अपनी अटेंडेंस मार्क कर लेनी है. आपको अगर सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए तो 2 दिन का अटेंडेंस आपको मार्क करना होगा. We'll use both the language Hindi and English. Sir will teach you in both the language English. So don't worry, guys. So I will not take much time, and I will call the trainer here in the session. So hope you will all will enjoy with him. Hi, sir. Good evening.
Hi, Adam. Hi. Am I audible?
Hi. So yes, sir, you are audible. So I will hand over the session to you without taking much time because we have only 2 hours.
Okay.
So that's why
Yeah.
I gave them the short introduction.
Okay,
Okay,
perfect.
so I'll take a leave. You give them the brief. Okay. So
Yeah,
bye,
done,
sir.
done.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah, bye. All right, guys. So, am I audible? First of all, am I audible? Am I visible? जनता मेरी आवाज आ रही है क्या मैं आपको दिख पा रहा हूँ yes or no in the chat yes or no yes or no in the chat guys am I audible am I visible yes audible yeah yes sir okay perfect वॉइस क्लियर है वॉइस क्लियर है कोई ब्रेक तो नहीं हो रही वॉइस इज माय वॉइस क्लियर क्रिस्टल क्लियर वॉइस आ रही है सबको यस यस Okay, perfect. You can see me in 4K. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Fine. So, guys, okay. Let's do one thing. If you are excited, right? If you are excited for building YouTube clone, please write excited in chat. Okay, if you are excited for this project, please write excited in the chat. Let's see how many people are excited for this project. Write excited, write excited in the chat if you guys are excited. Are. Shinde Priya. Yeah, I remember Priya. I remember you. Okay, excited. एक बार फिर से I am back. Who is this? Nishant. Hi, Nishant, bro. So I can see many students of mine, those who have taken previous sessions, right? Either placement prep session or my prompt engineering session. You guys have already taken. Right? I can see old people as well. Okay, perfect. Then perfect. Let me share my screen. Okay, let me share my screen and let us start with some amazing things. Okay, we'll build some amazing things. Okay, let me share my screen. So guys, tell me, is my screen shared? Janta, is my screen shared? Is my screen shared, Janta? Yes, no. Yes, okay, perfect. So yes, okay. Perfect. So let me now clear a few things. Okay, before starting the session, let me now clear a few things. So session will not be completely in English and will not be completely in Hindi. Okay, so I'll be going bilingual. मैं हिंदी और English दोनों बोलूँगा, right? But it would be more of in English, and I can say 60-40 would be the ratio. English is to Hindi, 60-40 ratio, right? And so yes, let's start. Okay, let's start with it. And I can't use complete English, okay, because there are certain people, those who use those who use Hindi, they don't understand English, so I need to go in bilingual. Okay, I need to go in bilingual, so you guys have to be patient with me with that. Okay, so let's open YouTube, right? Let's open YouTube. So yes, guys, this is how our YouTube looks like. Okay, this is how our YouTube looks like, Janta. This is how, Hana. So I'm big fan. Okay. So let me do one thing. Let us first. Hi Tushar, how are you, bro? Okay. So okay, guys, let's do one thing. Let us analyze this. Okay, let us analyze this YouTube page, like how it looks like, and what all things are there. Okay, let us first analyze this, right? So let me take it to OneNote. Okay, let me take it to OneNote and let us first analyze how my YouTube looks like. Okay, I'll copy it and I will open my OneNote. So can you guys see my OneNote? Guys, can you see OneNote? Yes. I'll go bilingual. I already told I'll go bilingual. Okay, I'll go bilingual. Okay, so now if we try to analyze this, okay, let us first analyze how many things do we have over here. Okay, perfect. So now see, we have different sections. Okay, we have different sections. So we have one section, this, right? One is this section, that is, I can say, my header section. Okay, so what is this? This is my header section. Okay, perfect. So I have this as my first section. Let us do one thing. इसको थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर लेते हैं. And yes, okay. Then I have one more section. Which is this sidebar, right? We have one section which is this sidebar section. Is it? Yes. And then we have this third section, which is this section. Okay, then we have our third section, right? So when I divide this YouTube, right, into different sections, so I can see that there are major three sections, right? Can you see this? Anybody, any doubt in this? We have three sections so far, right? हाँ भाई, पूरा क्लोन कर देंगे 2 दिन में, ठीक है? Okay, Priya, we'll try to clone it complete in full days. Okay, thank you, Product Online. I am also your die-hard fan. Okay, so let's see. Now we have three major sections. One is my header section, second one is my sidebar section, and the third one is my main page section, right? Now, do we have any subsections? Yes, I can see few subsections as well, right? Let us try to see what are those subsections that we have. Okay, so in my header section, I can see that we have one this, right? This is my first subsection in header. Then we have this as the second subsection, and then we have this as the third subsection, right? So we have three subsections as well, right? So one is this YouTube ka logo as a subsection, right? In my header. Then we have this search component, right? Then we have this search component as the subsection 2, and then we have this subsection 3, which is this part. Is it? Hi Ruchir, hi Tushar. I'm also your die-hard fan, Tushar. Okay, perfect. Any doubts so far? I don't think so. Right. Now, when it comes to my sidebar, right? In my sidebar, I also have few subsections, right? In my sidebar also, I also have few subsections, right? So let us divide this sidebar into few subsections that we have. So one is this subsection. So this is my subsection 1, right? Then comes my subsection 2, right? Then comes my subsection 2, and then comes my subsection 3 and all. So we'll do that as well, okay, later on. So right now what we have built, that we have three major sections. The first one is header part, second section is sidebar, and the third section is this main page on which my content is visible. Is it? Yahan tak anybody any doubt? Any doubt so far? Janta, anybody any doubt so far? We have three sections and we have few YouTube sections as well, right? No. Okay, perfect. Right? So if this thing is clear, let us start coding this much, right? And then we will start analyzing the further sections. Okay, then we'll start analyzing the further sections, right? Let us try coding it. Okay, so yes, this is my actual YouTube. Perfect. So I have made one thing. I made a folder, right? Let us open this folder, and inside this folder I have already put in few images, right, which I might be using, right? So I have already put in few images over here, right? Okay, so let me do this. Yes, replace. Okay, perfect. Now let us create one file. First. That is my index.html. This is the first file that we'll be making, and with the exclamation mark I will put my boilerplate, right? Is the code visible? Clearly? Is my code clear? Can you see the code clearly? Yes, it will be recorded. Yes, this session is recorded and will be there on YouTube. Okay, correct, perfect. Sir, वो images send कर दो ना. हाँ, images. I'll make a GitHub, right? And we'll share you the GitHub link for this repo. Okay. I cannot share it on the chat right now, right? But we'll share it via GitHub. Okay. Screen is not much clear. Maybe some issue with your resolution, right? You have to see your resolution. Okay. So what was the? Let's make another file. That is my style.css, right? And always remember, guys, mark my words, always remember one thing. Whenever you start styling, right? Okay, make sure to add these lines. Use star selector and do all the margin as 0 pixels, and do all the padding as 0 pixels. Also do box sizing, border box. This is the most important thing. Okay, this is the most important thing. Sir, that Janta you speak feels like the political leader. Okay, perfect. Yes, I'll share the source code as well. I'll upload this in a complete Git repo, so you can fork my repo. You can do whatever you want to do with that repo. Okay, so yes, we can do that. Even we have to do or just listen you. See, I would recommend please do side by side. Please try to code side by side. Okay, I'm not that kind of a teacher जो तुम्हें कहेगा कि नहीं please मेरे को सुन लो code मत करो. No, right? Please do code side by side. Okay, please do code side by side. Okay, please try to do code side by side. करते रहो side by side. Okay, fine. Pixels लगाओ नहीं लगाओ up to you. लगा भी सकते हो हटा भी सकते हो. Right? No worries. No worries. हाँ साइमल्टेनियसली करते रहोगे तो इट वुड बी बेटर फॉर यू गाइज ओनली राइट. अच्छे समझ में आता है जब हम साथ साथ कोडिंग करते हैं. प्लीज डू कोड अलोंग विद मी. ओके, so always make sure whenever you are start styling, right, always make sure whenever you are start styling, you need to put these things in the star selector, right? You need to put these things. How to get those images? If you are not able to get the images, use sample images. Use any image, right? Use any image. Just make the structure. Just make this structure with one sample image. Use your image. Okay, use your image. Then you can change your image. My name is Rishabh. Okay, my name is Rishabh. Sorry, I didn't introduce myself first, but let's continue. No worries. So now why I am adding this margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing border box. See, by default, there are elements in HTML, those who have a certain margin and padding by default, right? To reduce that, to remove that default padding and to remove that default margin, right? We need to add this margin and padding in the star selector. Fine, perfect. Let me add one more thing, which is font family, and that would be Poppins, Poppins, right? Poppins, and the second would be sans serif. Okay, sans serif. Okay, right. So right. So yes, the font family which I would be using throughout the product is Poppins is the first priority, and then if Poppins are not there, then I would be using this sans serif as my font, right? So this is the default style setting that you always need to add, right? I will mention comments, right? I will write the comments as well. Okay, let me link this style. Let me link this style, right, as my style.css. Okay, and let me change this title to YouTube. Okay, now I would request you all to please download one extension, right, that I would be using, of course, is basically live server. Okay, live server, right? So this is the extension that I would recommend all of you guys to download. Now what is this live server? Let me tell you. So suppose you have made this thing, right? Suppose you have made any changes in your HTML file, right? And you always not need you don't want to start your server again and again, right? So what you will do, if you install this live server extension, so as soon as you make your changes, it will automatically reflect that changes in the browser, right? If you have already downloaded, very good. If you have not downloaded it yet, so please download it, and I would be you can always open it with live server, right? And make sure when you are opening it with live server, you are doing it on index.html file only. You cannot do it on CSS, you cannot do it on JS, right? You have to open with live server in your index.html file only, right? So let's open it with live server. Okay, so yes, okay, यहाँ खुल गया ये Control X. Just a second, guys. Just a second. कहाँ गया मेरा browser? Yep, here it is. Paste it, save it. Okay, so यहाँ पे आया कुछ. If I write something, hello. If I write something hello, and let's see, is it visible? Yes, it is visible perfectly. Okay, so means it is working fine, right? It is working fine. Okay, यहाँ तक anybody any doubts? Janta, do you guys have any doubts so far? or should I move further? Do you guys have any doubts, or should I move further? Chale aage. Okay. Yeah. One more thing. There are few more things which is left. There are few more things which are left in style.css. Make sure to add this image, right? So in all the images, right? All the images that you have in your app, cursor you want cursor to be pointer. So whenever you hover on any kind of image, you want your pointer to be cursor, right? So it would be something like pointer should be cursor. Had you lunch? Had you lunch? Yes, I just ate something 5 minutes ago. The session. Okay. 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 Sir, CSS की slide दिखाओ. अच्छा, हो गया. Now, what was the first section? What was the first section that we saw on the YouTube? Right? What was the first section that we saw on the YouTube? So that section was my nav section, right? Navbar. It was a kind of navbar, right? It was a kind of navbar. So yes, let us add something in navbar, and inside that navbar we have three sections, right? That is nav left, right? Then comes my nav middle, and then comes my nav ka ri right. Yahan tak anybody any doubt? Guys, my name is Rishabh Sharma. Okay. Navbar or header? One and the same thing. Navbar or header, everything is same, right? Same. Okay. Yep. So see, we had three sections, right? One was navbar left, navbar middle, and navbar right section. Is it? Is it? What does cursor mean? So the cursor is the cursor that you see on the screen now. So that is the cursor. So default cursor is that arrow cursor, right? And when you want, whenever your cursor is on any image, so you want it to be pointer, right? Pointer means that hand finger. Do you know that hand wala finger, right? So that is a pointer cursor. Okay. So when it comes to my navbar left, right? So in the left section, we have two things, right? In this left section, we have two things, right? The first one is this hamburger, right? If you guys see it, right? If you guys see this, so this first one is this hamburger, and the second one is YouTube ka icon. Okay, hamburger and YouTube ka icon. So we have these two things on my left. So I need to add two images, right? So I need to add two images. The first image, right? The first image is of mention comments, add definition on it. Which definition you want me to add? Okay, right. So let us header में nav ले सकते हैं. That also you can do. That also you can do. In the header tag also you can take your nav tag. No problem. No problem. Okay. Yes. So let me download this. I have not downloaded the image for this logo and hamburger. So let me download this. Okay. यहीं से मिल जाएगा क्या? Network tab. Images में जाके let us reload. Okay. This is to my image. So let me save this image as my image. YouTube clone के अंदर images के अंदर save it. Then I need to get not this. Don't we have that? Okay. Fav icon ये रहा. So here is my YouTube का fav icon. Okay. Here is my YouTube का fav icon. But. Okay, let me download it directly. Just leave it. Let me download it from here. YouTube icon. Okay, let us download it from here. कहाँ है YouTube? Maybe this one. No, I didn't find you on LinkedIn. Okay. Where is the icon, man? Come on. How come I didn't download the icon? Lord. Okay, let's take this icon only. Okay, let us take this icon, but it's a blurred icon. Okay. Okay, I'm going with this icon. Okay. Save image as white icon. Save. Okay. Now I want hamburger. Hamburger icon. Okay. So I want hamburger icon. So let us go with this icon. So save image as hamburger. Done. Right. So let me add the icons over here. First one is my images slash images slash hamburger.png, and here comes my dot slash images slash YT icon. Let's save it. And let's open it. Okay, so we have these two icons. Okay, let's reset it. Right, so we have these two icons, but these icons are way more big. Hana? These icons are way more big. Okay, these icons are way more big. So let us will fix it. Right, we'll fix it. No worries. We'll fix that as well. Okay, but before that, let us add few more icons. Right, that we have in our राइट पार्ट राइट हमारे पास राइट पार्ट में भी कुछ आइकन्स थे है ना हमारे पास राइट साइड में भी वी हैव सर्टेन आइकन्स सो लेट्स ऐड दोस आइकन्स एज वेल इमेजेस में जाकर के वी हैव सर्टेन आइकन्स ओके सो हाउ मेनी आइकन्स डू वी हैव so we have three icons right we have three icons one is 1 2 and 3 icons okay so let us add three icons so this one is my image.jpeg right okay can you share the code of html I'll share that no worries can you give separate divs for two images yes you can do that as well you can give separate images right you can give separate images but you can do it like that as well if you give separate images then your and my styling would be a bit different right so if you give different if you are adding some additional elements right if you are adding some additional divs right the styling might vary okay then please don't say me that sir mera aisa nahi aaya aapka waisa aaya because we have added some extra elements out there so that's why the styling will vary okay then you need to style it accordingly okay so yes yep now comes my notifications so we have a notification right so let's add notification icon over here dot slash images slash notification.png and what else do we have upload okay so we have one upload का icon upload का करा है मैंने download क्या मैंने ये upload.png yes here it is so we have dot slash images slash upload.png right so let us now see do we have those icons yes so we have my picture we have this bell icon and we have this upload ka icon as well anybody any doubt so far tell me do you have any doubt so far janta yes or no now see okay if you guys don't have any doubts now see now try to understand right now try to understand see when I open YouTube right when I open YouTube in the header part okay in the header part So my header part, my header, it is aligned, right? It is aligned side by side. Is it? Is it? It is aligned side by side. My header, the subsections are aligned side by side, right? Now, in my case, right? In my case, what happened? In my case, what is happening? My logo and my images, they are not side by side. Is it? They are not side by side, right? So I need to get them. I need to get them side by side, right? So let's get them side by side. So make sure whenever you need to align anything side by side, so we align it by giving flex. Okay, flex is the biggest thing. Okay, my small suggestion: who want to learn from scratch don't need to lead this section. You should know about CSS, Node.js, and live server. You should learn from first. Okay, maybe. Yes. Okay. So yes, we will give some class name. Suppose dflex. Okay, we'll give dflex a class name, and I will use the same class name in my style.css. That okay, to my dflex, it should be display should be flex. Okay, display should be flex, right? So now what I am doing, right? Now what I am doing, sir, we can do it later. Can you provide the image and code? Yes, I will provide the image and code. No worries. I'll provide the image and code. Okay, I'll provide the image and code. हाँ, हम वीडियो पे क्लिक करके we will be able to see the video. Okay, by clicking on the video, we will be able to see the video. Now see, when I added the display flex. Okay, see, can you see? Can you now see the images? All the images are side by side, right? So we have one this div and we have one this div. They both are side by side, right? They both are side by side. Okay, okay. Yes, let's now try to align items in the center, right? So what does align item center do? Align item center basically aligns the item towards the cross axis, right? It aligns the item in the cross axis. So if my display flex I have given, so by default direction is row, right? So when it comes to the default direction row, my main axis would be from left to right and cross axis would be from top to bottom, right? Cross axis would be from top to bottom. So since align items work on cross axis, so it will align the items from top to bottom in the center. Okay, okay. Now let us give navbar some styling. So first of all, border 2 pixels solid red. Okay, make sure to add borders. Okay, make sure to add borders are the best debuggers. If you are debugging something, right? If you are debugging something in your CSS and you are not able to get anything, right? You are not able to see anything, make sure to apply borders are the best debuggers. Okay, okay. So now first of all, in my navbar, right, I have few images. Let's give the width as 50 pixels. I will repair this width. This width is not final, right? But for now I am giving it like this. So that we can see what's happening. Okay, okay. Now what I want? Now I want a bit padding. Okay, I want a bit padding in my nav bar. So I will apply padding, right? I will apply padding. That is 10 pixels and maybe 20 pixels. Okay, 10 pixels and 20 pixels. So let us see, right? Let us see how my padding look like. Okay, that looks perfect. I guess, right? That looks perfect. Is it? Okay. Now I need to now see, both the icons, right? The subdivs, they are aligned side by side. I don't want this. What I want my justify content to be in space between. Now see what happens. Now that div, right? The div 1 is in the left part and div 2 is in the right part. Is it fine now? यहां तक कोई डाउट? क्या चल रहा है ब्रो? ओके परफेक्ट, ठीक है, राइट, यहां तक एनीबडी एनी डाउट्स? I don't think so. I don't think so. There would be any doubt so far. Now what I will do? Now what I will do? Right? Let us add some box shadow. Right? Let us add some box shadow. 0, 0, maybe some 10 pixels. RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.5. Let's give this as my box shadow and let's comment this. Let's comment this, save it. Let's see now. Okay, so this is the kind of box shadow that I have given to it. Okay, perfect, perfect. Now position I'll add sticky. Position I'll add sticky. Now what is a sticky position? sticky, sticky, right? Position I will add sticky. Now why I am adding sticky as a position? See, now see what I am trying to do over here. So when you scroll your YouTube, right? When you scroll your YouTube, is your upper part, right? Is your navbar getting scrolled out? No, it is not getting scrolled out, right? Means it is always fixed there, or I can say it is a sticky position, right, which is not getting scrolled up, right? So I need to give the position as sticky just to stop it there, right? Just not to get it scrolled out. Okay, so and टॉप से मुझे कहां पे रोकना है इसको? मुझे कहां पे रोकना है? मुझे रोकना है टॉप से 0 पे. टॉप से 0 पे आई नीड टू स्टॉप इट. ओके, टॉप से 0 पे आई नीड टू stop it. यहां तक anybody any doubts? Anybody any doubts so far? Got it? Perfect, perfect. If you got it, then perfect. Now I have given images a bit, okay, I have given images very generic size, right? So let's not give it a generic size. Let's give image different sizes accordingly. ठीक है, accordingly हम उनके different sizes देते हैं. So we have something called nav right. Okay, so in my nav right, so nav right, what happened? Okay, so I'll copy this and in my nav right, मेरे nav bar के राइट में जितनी भी इमेजेस हैं उसको मैं कुछ विड्थ दूंगा और मेरे nav bar के लेफ्ट में जितनी इमेजेस हैं उनको आई विल गिव फ्यू विड्थ. ओके, इज इट फाइन? which React you are using? I'm not using React. I'm making it by simple HTML, CSS and JavaScript. We are not using React, guys. Okay, so यहाँ पे इसकी width जो है, let us give it to 25 pixels maybe. Let's try it. Okay, it's looking fine. And इसको भी अगर हम 25 pixels दें, so is it looking fine? Hamburger looks okay, but YouTube का logo काफी ज्यादा disturb हो गया है. So let me give him a class name. Class of YT logo. Okay, so copy करेंगे इसको and navbar left के अंदर जो YT logo है उसकी width मैं कर दूंगा 75 pixel. Let us see now. This looks still okay. This still looks okay. Janta, is it looks okay? Yes or no? You are not getting image in the web page. So make sure if you are not getting your images on the web page, make sure to add this thing, right? Make sure to add this ALT tag. Okay, please add this ALT tag and see if ALT is visible or not, right? If ALT is visible, यहाँ पे लिख दो कि image not found. So in case you are not able to see your images on the browser, so there might be a chance that this path that you have given is wrong. Okay, there might be a chance this path that you have given is wrong. So if this path is wrong, then this alt tag means this alternative text. Okay, this alternative text will be visible to you guys. Okay, and if this alternative text is visible and you are not able to see the images, then there might be some issue with this path only. Okay, make sure this thing. Okay, so I guess till now we don't have any doubts, right? Do we have any doubts so far, Janta? Do we have any doubts so far? Yes, no, maybe. Okay, okay. अब इनके बीच में ना गैप थोड़ा कम है, राइट? स्मॉल थोड़ा सा कम गैप है, राइट? तो हमें थोड़ा गैप देना है, राइट? So let us give a bit gap, that margin, right? I would be giving suppose 25 pixels only. ठीक है, मैंने margin right भी दिया इसको 25 pixels, which looks good, right? Which looks okay. Which looks okay. So guys, I have already mentioned it 20 times. I have already mentioned this 20 times that I would be giving the source code. Okay, not padding. No, not padding. I'll simply give margin now. Why to give padding? Why to give padding? Say for 18 line. What from 18 line? I'm not sure. What are you asking about 18 line? Okay, perfect. यहाँ तक anybody any doubt? I don't think so. You guys have any doubts so far? Do you have any doubts? No. Okay, let's see. ढिल्लो कहां से आ गया बीच में? अब now see the user image, right? The user image which is here, that is of round in shape, right? That is round in shape. तो अगर मुझे इस इमेज को राउंड करना है तो मैं क्लास दूंगा इसको, that is user image, right? So I'll copy this and ये किसके अंदर है मेरा? ये इसके अंदर है, राइट? सो इसके अंदर मेरी जो भी यूजर इमेज है, राइट, इसके अंदर मेरी जो भी यूजर इमेज है उसको मैं क्या कर दूंगा? बॉर्डर रेडियस कर दूंगा 50% का, सेव कर दूंगा एंड दैट इज डन. लेट्स सी नाउ. लेट अस सी नाउ. ये हो गई मेरी इमेज परफेक्टली राउंड हो गई. एनीबॉडी एनी डाउट्स? सही लग रहा है? आई थिंक सही लग रहा है ना? क्या कहते हो? सही लग रहा है जनता? सर can't we just style the icons with CSS rather than downloading it? You can style the icons with CSS, no worries. You can use icons, right? You can use fav icons and all, so that will work, right? That will work. Okay. Okay, Janta. So we are done with these extreme parts, right? The extreme left or right के parts हैं, extreme end parts. We have done with these two parts, right? We have done with these two parts. Let's now start styling. SVG will also work. SVG will also work. No worries. SVG will also work. Okay. SVG भी काम करेगा. No worries. Okay. So now let us now start styling. Let us now start styling the center part. Okay, let us now start styling the center part. Fine. Okay, let's see. कहाँ है भाई? हाँ, ये तो हो गया. Okay, let us now start with the center part. So center part में क्या है? What we have in my center part? We have the search bar, right? We have my search bar in the center part. Okay, let's do it. Now, what we take, if I want to give any input, what is the part that I take? What is the, what is that thing? What is the tag that I use? Janta, what is the tag that I use? Please explain top zero. See, what do I mean by top zero is basically when you apply some sticky. Sir, please clean your camera. Okay, just a second. Where is the cloth? Just a second, ये क्या आ गया कैमरा पे? I don't know what happened. गाइस ये कैमरा के लेंस के अंदर कुछ गया हुआ है, सो आई एम अनेबल टू क्लीन माय कैमरा. मेरे को एसी बंद करना पड़ेगा. ओके ओके या सो टॉप से मुझे कहां पे रोकना है, राइट? सो व्हाट आई नीड, वेयर आई नीड टू स्टॉप इट फ्रॉम द टॉप. सो व्हेन आई हैव गिवन इनपुट, व्हेन आई हैव गिवन पोजीशन एज द स्टिकी, राइट? whenever I have given position as sticky, so wherever I want to stop it, so अगर मुझे इसको टॉप से 10% के गैप पे रोकना होता, कि मतलब एकदम टॉप पे जाके ना रुके, वो ऊपर से जो एकदम टॉप है वहां से 10 पिक्सल्स के गैप पे जाके रुक जाए, तो आई वुड हैव गिवन 10 पिक्सल्स. या अगर मुझे चाहिए होता कि टॉप से 50% के गैप पे रुक जाए, 50% नीचे रुके, राइट? सो आई वुड हैव गिवन टॉप से 50%. लेकिन मैं चाहता हूं कि एकदम टॉप पे जाके रुके वो, राइट? एकदम टॉप पे जाके रुके, कोई गैप ना हो. तो मैं उसको बोलूंगा कि भाई टॉप पे मतलब एकदम टॉप पे, मतलब टॉप से 0, टॉप से कुछ गैप नहीं चाहिए मुझे, एकदम टॉप पे जाके तू रुक जाइयो. ठीक है? क्लियर है? ओके. सो नाउ एक ये है, तो सबसे पहले इसको भी मैं काम करूंगा, डिस्प्ले फ्लेक्स दूंगा सबसे पहले इसको मैं, राइट? लेट अस फर्स्ट गिव डिस्प्ले फ्लेक्स. डिस्प्ले फ्लेक्स तो मैं सबको दे दूंगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. डिस्प्ले फ्लेक्स देने में मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. इसको भी नहीं दिया था, इसको भी दे दो. डिस्प्ले फ्लेक्स सबको दे दो. हाँ, it would be responsive. I'll go with responsive as well. No worries. So जनता, make sure you are using as much flex as you can use. Okay, please use as much flex as you can use. No harm in that. Okay, no harm in that. SEARCH search box. Okay, so this is my search box that I'm making. Inside my search box, I have input. Okay, I have input, and then I have what? एक तो input होता है, और क्या है? Search icon है. So we have one image as well. We have one image as well, जो कि होगा मेरा क्या? Oh God. Search.png, and we have one more mic icon as well, right? So we have one mic icon कहाँ गया भाई? Voice search. Okay, we have one voice search. Okay, let's see this. Okay, so we have one search, we have search icon, and we have this mic icon. Okay, माइक भी, हाँ माइक भी है मैम, माइक भी है, डोंट वरी. बट मैंने माइक को उसके बाहर रखा है, राइट? मेक श्योर मैंने माइक को उसके बाहर रखा है. क्यों रखा है मैं बताता हूं. देखो, यहां पे जो एक सर्च बॉक्स है, राइट? अब ये सर्च आइकन और ये सर्च का इनपुट बॉक्स, ये दोनों तो एक ही डिव में है, और वो माइक उसके बाहर है, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई मैंने माइक को सेपरेट रखा है, एंड मैंने उन दोनों को एक डिव में लिया है. कोई दिक्कत जनता? किसी को भी किसी प्रकार की समस्या, दुविधा, परेशानी हो तो बताओ. नहीं है तो हम आगे चलें फिर आगे. ओके, परफेक्ट. सो नाउ आई नीड टू स्टाइल देम. माइक इन सेपरेट डिव. हाँ, सेपरेट डिव में रखो, बट सेपरेट अलग से रख भी सकते हो, एक अलग एंटिटी भी रख सकते हो ना. व्हाई यू नीड टू गिव इन सेपरेट डिव? अलग एंटिटी भी रख सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. नाउ सबसे पहले डॉट nav मिडल, राइट? डॉट nav मिडल, बॉर्डर देंगे इसको. सबसे पहला काम, मेक श्योर टू गिव बॉर्डर, right? Now what happens when you give border, right? So when you give border, you always know, right? You always know where your div is starting and where your div is ending. Okay, so when I gave border, so now I know that okay, this is the part in which my div is starting and ending. Okay, this is the part in which my div is starting and ending. why you are not using icons. I don't prefer icons. Icons are so boring. Okay, I don't prefer using icons. That's why I'm not using icons. Okay, so width, maybe I can give 50% if it works. I don't know. It should work actually. Okay, so Alt Shift F. Okay, perfect. I guess it should work. Yes, it is working. Perfect. No problem in that. No harm in that. Now, what else do we have? We have one search box. So let me give this search box a style. Dot search box width should be my 90%. I can say, okay, width I want to give 90%. Okay, okay, my bad. Since I use React in the industry, so मेरी आदत पड़ी हुई है वैसी वाली. Okay, now what happened? Again, apply border, right? Apply border. 2 pixels, solid, green. Make sure to apply borders. Borders are the best debuggers. Okay, borders are the best debuggers. हाँ, ठीक है. तो ये तो हो गया, right? This is perfect. This looks perfect. थोड़ा सा माइक को छोटा कर दे. क्या कहते हो? माइक को छोटा करें थोड़ा सा. माइक बहुत बड़ा है ना. माइक को छोटा करते हैं. कॉपी करेंगे और ये जो मेरा माइक है इसको एक क्लास दे देता हूं मैं. इसको एक क्लास देता हूं माइक आइकन की, राइट. सो इन माय नैवबार मिडल, इसके अंदर जो माइक आइकन है उसकी विड्थ मुझे करनी है सपोज, आरईएम छोड़ो, अभी आरईएम पे नहीं जाते हैं. 16 पिक्सल्स. ओके, नॉट 26. लेट्स डू इट 16. बहुत छोटा हो गया बट ठीक है. इट लुक्स फाइन आई गेस, राइट? इट लुक्स फाइन. सर why are you not using? अच्छा, ये तो हो गया था. Images looks like responsive. No, it's not like कि when you use image it's not responsive. All you need to know how to make responsive. Okay, ऐसे बोलिए. एक तो okay, let's start continuing it. Okay, perfect. सो यहां तक भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, यहां तक भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, यहां तक भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. परफेक्ट. अब मेरा जो इनपुट है, राइट नाउ आई नीड टू स्टाइल दिस इनपुट. ओके, परफेक्ट. लेट्स डू इट. जो मेरा डॉट सर्च बॉक्स है, राइट, सर्च बॉक्स के अंदर जो मेरा इनपुट है, राइट, उसको मैं ऐसे कर दूंगा. और सर्च बॉक्स के अंदर जो मेरी इमेज है उसको मैं दे दूंगा कितना, 10%. Let's save it. Let's do it. Okay, fine. It's not that good, but let's make it good. Okay, let's make it good. तो मैं क्या करूंगा, जो मेरा सर्च बॉक्स है इसको सिंपली मैं ये दे दूंगा, डिफ्लेक्स. खत्म, काम ओवर, गेम खत्म. लेट्स सी. ये देखिए सर, ये आ गया. कोई दिक्कत, कोई समस्या, दुविधा, परेशानी किसी को? साइड बाय साइड आ गया. ओके, बट इसकी हाइट बड़ी लग रही है थोड़ी सी, है ना? इसकी थोड़ी सी विड्थ सपोज करो बड़ी है, तो मैं क्या अच्छा, मैंने विड्थ दे दिया क्या? ओके, फाइन. दिस वाज माय बैड. हाँ, नाउ इट लुक्स परफेक्ट. पैडिंग देंगे थोड़ी सी, मे बी 16 पिक्सल्स की, लेट्स से. ओके, ज्यादा हो गई 16 पिक्सल्स आई गेस. 10 पिक्सल्स मे बी विल वर्क. हाँ, दिस विल वर्क. एनीबडी, एनी डाउट्स? यहां तक तो नहीं होने चाहिए. आई डोंट थिंक सो वुड बी एनी डाउट सो फार, है ना? चलें फिर आगे. अगर कोई डाउट्स नहीं है तो चलें आगे. जनता, क्या कहते हो? guys, yes, okay, perfect. सो ये सब तो हो गया है. हाँ, अब अपने को क्या देना है? अब अपने को यहाँ पे इसको थोड़ा सा स्टाइल देना है. देखो, सबसे पहले अप्लाई करते हैं बॉर्डर, ठीक है। ये जो मेरा सर्च बॉक्स है, राइट, इस पे बॉर्डर रेडियस वुड बी 50 पिक्सल्स, राइट, लेट अस सी इट। हाँ, ये 50 पिक्सल्स तो आ गया, ओके। लेट अस नाउ सी what else we can do. See it very carefully, okay, see it very carefully. बॉर्डर रेडियस इसको हम देंगे 50 पिक्सल्स का, इसको भी हमने 50 पिक्सल्स का बॉर्डर रेडियस दिया, ओके, परफेक्ट, विच इज परफेक्ट, राइट। नाउ इसको हम देंगे सिंपल सा जस्टिफाई कंटेंट स्पेस बिटवीन, लेट अस सी नाउ, ओके, परफेक्ट है, ये भी परफेक्ट है। जो मेरा ये है, राइट, पैडिंग जो है, इसको मैं पैडिंग दूंगा थोड़ी सी 1 REM की, राइट, लेट अस सी, ज्यादा हो गई 0.7 REM की अगर मैं दूं तो ये भी ज्यादा लग रही है मुझे, तो 0.5 REM में भी 0.4 REM will be perfect, I guess. Okay, this looks perfect. Okay, एंड यहाँ पे मैं अब इसका बॉर्डर हटा दूंगा, ओके। लेट्स से आउटलाइन शुड बी नन, outline should be none, okay, and border should be none, okay, let's do it. Ha, now REM pixel, what's the difference? Priya, I won't be able to explain that right now, right, because we are running out of time, okay, so maybe some other time I'll explain it, okay. ओके, सो अब मैं क्या करूंगा, इसको थोड़ा सा ना मार्जिन दे दूंगा, राइट, लेट मी गिव सम मार्जिन, MARGIN, मार्जिन कहां से देना है मेरे को, राइट से, मार्जिन राइट, आई वांट टू गिव इट से 10 पिक्सल्स, 10 पिक्सल, लेट्स सी नाउ, और दे देते हैं थोड़ा सा, मे बी 20 पिक्सल्स, नहीं हो रहा क्या, ओके, नो वरीज, मत दो मार्जिन भी, बॉर्डर रेडियस दे दो, सिंपल, काम खत्म, बॉर्डर रेडियस 50 पिक्सल्स, काम खत्म। हाँ, ठीक है जनता, ये हो गया है। अच्छा, ये कैसा दिखता है, ये कुछ ऐसा है, परफेक्ट है, ठीक है। नाउ हाँ, 1 REM इज इक्वल टू 16 पिक्सल्स, परफेक्ट। हैंडसम सर इज ब्लैक, भाई मैं समझा नहीं तेरी बात, तुषार तू मेरे पे लाइन क्यों मारता है, मुझे मुझे पहले ये बता। ओके, इसको मैं करता हूं 1 पिक्सल सॉलिड ग्रे, ओके, 1 पिक्सल सॉलिड ग्रे, perfect. How to make folder for images? You make folder for images? Yes, I made folder for images, okay. So I didn't roll because I didn't get OTP, okay. Sir, add VS code to explain our YouTube folder, sir, okay, I'll do that, wait. यहां तक कोई डाउट, हमारा सर्च बार भी बन चुका है, राइट, वी हैव सर्च बार रेडी विद अस। अब स्टाइल करते हैं वॉइस वाले आइकन को, ओके, लेट्स स्टाइल दिस आइकन नाउ, माइक आइकन, ओके, इस माइक आइकन को स्टाइल कर लेते हैं फटाफट से, एंड वी आर गुड टू गो देन, राइट। बॉर्डर लगाएंगे सबसे पहले 2 पिक्सल्स सॉलिड रेड, लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस, ओके, दिस इज द माइक, परफेक्ट। पैडिंग देंगे अपन कितनी, 10 पिक्सल्स की पैडिंग, देन आ जाएगा हमारा बॉर्डर रेडियस, सपोज से 50 पिक्सल्स, सेव इट, डू इट, ओके, व्हाट हैपेंड, ओके, नो वरीज, इसको मैंने विड्थ दी थी कुछ, हाँ, दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम, Okay. Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's put it inside a div. Okay. Let's put it inside a div. So let me give class name of mic div. Okay. I'll copy this and dot mic div border solid green. ओके इसको हटाओ. अच्छा यार इसको ऊपर ले जाओ, छोड़ो इसको ऊपर ले जाओ, इसको ऐसे करो, सेव करो. लेट्स सी नाउ अब क्या हुआ. ओके हो गया, परफेक्ट. दैट्स इट. सिंपल कॉपी दोस इमेजेस, क्रिएट फोल्डर. ओके विल यू ऐड डे एंड नाइट मोड? No, I'll not be adding day and my day and night mode. Okay. तुषार भाई तू मेरा ब्रेकअप कराएगा, तेरे को पता है. ओके इसको मैं काम करता हूँ. इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग दिस पैडिंग, लेट्स गिव width of say 20 pixels and height also say 20 pixels. Let's see now. ज्यादा कम हो गया है, थोड़ा बढ़ाएंगे. 100 I guess. क्या है 50 pixels. Okay, let's see. हाँ, this looks perfect. Okay, this looks perfect. इसको भी हम सिंपल सा देंगे क्या, डीफ्लेक्स. इसको सिंपल सा देंगे डीफ्लेक्स. डीफ्लेक्स हो गया हमारे पास यहाँ पे. परफेक्ट. ओके एंड यहाँ पे दे दूंगा मैं क्या, जस्टिफाई कंटेंट सेंटर. इसकी थोड़ी सी विड्थ बढ़ाएंगे फ्रॉम 16 टू गिव 20. ठीक है, फ्रॉम 16 वी हैव गिवन 20 एंड यहाँ पे मैं सिंपल सा इसको दूंगा क्या, बॉर्डर रेडियस 50%. सेव करेंगे. लेट्स सी इट. अच्छा माइक आइकन को नहीं देना, कंट्रोल एक्स. इसको देना है कंट्रोल वी, बॉर्डर रेडियस 50%. सेव इट. ओके ये लो भाई, ये भी हो गया. ओके my mic is circular. My search icon is here. Everything is perfect. Here I can search HELLO something. We can do anything, right? So kind of तैयार है, right? Kind of तैयार है. Okay. हम तो सुना होगा हमारा. अच्छा नाम नहीं सुना भाई, नहीं सुना, नाम नहीं सुना तुम्हारा. Are you using Bootstrap? No, I'm not using Bootstrap. We are using plain HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, plain HTML, CSS, JavaScript. We are going to use. जनता, do you want me to add black theme में, dark theme में बनाए क्या इसको? Light theme में उतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा मेरे को. Should I make in dark theme? What do you guys say? Should I make in dark theme? हाँ मैं सर्च करता हूँ, रुक जा, अभी सर्च करते हैं सही से. अभी सर्च सही से करेंगे, डोंट वरी. Do you guys want me to make in dark theme? यार लाइट थीम अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है ना. Let's go dark theme. Okay, let's go dark theme. Let's go dark. Okay, let's go dark. No. कितने हैं डार्क वाले? डार्क. ओके प्लेस होल्डर यूज कर लेते हैं पहले, जब तक तुम वोट कर रहे हो. लेट्स यूज प्लेस होल्डर. सर्च. ओके प्लेस होल्डर सर्च. लेट्स सी. ये आ गया प्लेस होल्डर, बट बहुत ज्यादा उधर लग रहा है साइड में मुझे ना ये, तो मैं थोड़ा सा इसको कम कर देता हूँ. डार्क. Okay, so I'm going with dark theme. I'm getting more on of a dark theme. Okay, so let's go with dark theme. BG color black, but not black actually. I want it to be this kind of a BG color. Save it. This looks more soothing, isn't it? This looks more soothing ना. क्या कहते हो जनता? मुझे मेरी एक गलती दिखी. Instead of space between, I should do space evenly. Okay, instead of space between, I should use space evenly. What happened to my search box? Okay, let's not do this. Let's do it 80% maybe. Now it looks perfect. Okay, input bg color should be transparent, color should be white. Let's see now. अब ठीक लग रहा है जनता, क्या कहते हो? हेलो, हाय देयर. नाउ इट्स परफेक्ट है ना? अब ठीक लग रहा है काइंड ऑफ. मुझे मुझे बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है ये. व्हाट डू यू गाइस से? अच्छा, नाउ सी वन थिंग. नाउ सी वन थिंग जनता. मेरे YouTube में सर्च में एक तरफ गोला है, राइट? एक तरफ गोला नहीं है, राइट? वन साइड आई हैव राउंडेड and one side I don't have rounded shape. Okay, so let us fix that, right? Let us fix that now. Okay, so इसको मैं सबसे पहले बॉर्डर हटाऊंगा, ठीक है? इसका मैं बीजी कलर चेंज करूंगा. बीजी कलर I should change it to this. Copy this. Let's see it now. Okay, perfect. Okay, no worries. हम इसको ठीक करते हैं अभी. इसको भी मुझे डालना पड़ेगा एक div के अंदर. ओके, I need to add this inside a div now. ओके, so इसको मैं दूंगा class name of search div. Okay, search div. I'll copy this and I need to style this over here. Control X, Control V, width 20%. Let's save it. What happened? Okay, just a second जनता. मैंने गलत जगह दे दिया, माय बैड. मुझे देना है यहाँ पे, सर्च आइकन पे, यहाँ पे. दैट वाज माय बैड, सॉरी. Alt Shift F, Control S. Let us see now. हाँ, ये ठीक है. This looks perfect. Okay, मैं थोड़ा सा इसकी हाइट विड्थ कम कर देता हूँ. Instead of 20, let's give it 10. Okay, ज्यादा कम हो गई. No worries. Border radius 50 pixels. अब देखो यार. Okay, instead of 10, 15 maybe. Okay, let's give it 17. Now see, जो मेरा ये वाला है, राइट? जो मेरा ये डिव है, एक साइड से राउंड है और एक साइड से राउंड नहीं है. ओके, तो अगर मुझे एक साइड से राउंड नहीं करना तो मैं क्या करूंगा? बॉर्डर कहां से राउंड करना है मेरे को? राइट साइड से, राइट? बॉर्डर टॉप right radius should be 50 pixels and border bottom right radius should be 50 pixels. Let's see it now. Okay, अब देखते हैं. हो गया? एक साइड से राउंड हो गया, एक साइड से राउंड नहीं रहा. Perfect. This is what we wanted, right? This is what we wanted जनता. It is perfect. It is good to go, है ना? It is good to go. Okay, यहाँ पे एक और देंगे हम, क्या? डिफ्लेक्स देंगे इसको एंड यहां पे कर देंगे क्या? जस्टिफाई कंटेंट सेंटर. लेट्स सेव इट. लेट्स सी इट. परफेक्ट. डज इट लुक्स परफेक्ट जनता? टेल मी, सही लग रहा है? बोलो. मुझे तो लग रहा है भाई बढ़िया. डज इट लुक्स गुड? ठीक है. हाँ हाँ फुल कोड मिल जाएगा भाई, फुल कोड मिल जाएगा। ठीक है, थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो गया, इसको थोड़ा सा छोटा कर देता हूं मैं। इंस्टेड ऑफ width 17 pixels, let it do it 15 pixels, okay 10 ही कर दो, वो भी ठीक है आई गेस। हाँ ये ठीक है। और इसको वापस से करेंगे अपन क्या, स्पेस इवनली की जगह स्पेस बिटवीन करेंगे इसको हम। ओके बोलो कोई डाउट? आई डोंट थिंक सो यू गाइज हैव एनी डाउट्स अभी तक। यहाँ पे पैडिंग दूंगा मैं साइड से, पैडिंग लेफ्ट दे दूंगा मैं 2 REM की, सपोज ज्यादा हो गई, लेट अस गिव 1 REM, राइट लेट अस गिव 1 REM एंड दैट शुड वर्क। चेंज यूट्यूब लोगो, अरे भाई अच्छा लोगो छुप गया अरे ओके सॉरी कोई बात नहीं, लोगो छुप गया, छुपने दो कोई बात नहीं, विल आई चेंज दैट, आई चेंज दैट टुमारो, ठीक है। अभी तक हमारा nav बार बनके एकदम तैयार है। अब हम काम स्टार्ट करते हैं किससे, हमारे हमारे साइड बार पे। ओके लेट अस नाउ स्टार्ट विद आवर साइड बार। ओके वो मैं चेंज कर दूंगा, वो दोनों लोगोज मैं चेंज कर दूंगा। ओके वो दोनों आई विल चेंज, यूट्यूब लोगो एंड हैमबर्गर लोगो आई विल चेंज। ओके या कर ही देता हूं, रुक जाओ। hamburger white icon, okay let me do it। okay I have this, let me save it as, let me save image as hamburger, save, yes ये लो जी, ये सेव हो गया, hamburger इज डन, hamburger डन हो गया मेरा। मुझे YouTube का लोगो चेंज करना है, वो मैं कल ढूंढ के लाऊंगा, ठीक है YouTube का लोगो मैं कल ढूंढ के लाऊंगा, कल चेंज करेंगे उसको। यहां तक anybody any doubts, tell me। and now I'm starting with my sidebar। okay let us now start with my sidebar, right। so यहाँ पे मेरा nav खत्म हुआ, right my nav bar finish and sidebar starts। okay sidebar starts dot sidebar। okay perfect, मैं थोड़ा सा पानी पी लूं। okay sir when we switch again to dark theme, यार मैं स्विच नहीं कर रहा अभी, आई एम टॉगलिंग, आई एम नॉट अप्लाइंग, विल प्लान टुमारो अगर मुझे अप्लाई करना हुआ तो, राइट अभी के लिए आई एम नॉट अप्लाइंग। ओके नाउ इन माय साइड बार, ओके इन माय साइड बार आई हैव फ्यू ऑप्शंस, राइट मेरे पास फ्यू ऑप्शंस थे साइड बार में, आई हैड फ्यू ऑप्शंस इन माय साइड बार, मतलब सब मेन्यूज थे, राइट एक कुछ ऊपर का सेक्शन था और एक नीचे का सेक्शन था, राइट लेट अस गेट दैट। ओके तो डॉट डॉट sidebar अपर सेक्शन, राइट एंड एक साइड बार का लोअर, राइट एक साइड बार का सपोज लोअर, मे बी काइंड ऑफ, ठीक है मतलब कह सकते हो अगेन। ओके अब इसके अंदर क्या है, नाउ व्हाट वी हैव इन दिस। ओके सो वी हैव फ्यू थिंग्स, जैसे कि ओके जस्ट अ सेकेंड, जैसे कि मेरे पास एक आइकन है, उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग एक नाम है, इमेज है, नाम है, और जब मैं इस पे क्लिक करूंगा तो मेरा कुछ होगा, राइट सेशन विल कंटिन्यू टिल 7, यस सेशन विल कंटिन्यू टिल 7, might extend, okay might extend। okay so now let us do one thing। so सबसे पहले मैं एंकर टैग यूज करूंगा। now why I am using anchor tag, because on click, right on click of that thing, on click of that menu list, right on click of that menu item, something will happen, right so for that I am using this anchor tag over here। and इसके अंदर क्या है, इसके अंदर I have a image, right इसके अंदर I have a image, ठीक है जिसके अंदर मैं कोई इमेज डाल देता हूं, कौन सी इमेज डालूं भाई, होम की डाल देते हैं मे बी, ठीक है एक होम डाल देते हैं। when it's end maybe 7 7 5 7 10, okay will end till 7 10 के आसपास। okay So yes, we have this home icon, right? We have this home icon, and then let me add a paragraph. एक पैराग्राफ टैग ऐड करेंगे जहां पे मैं होम लिख दूंगा, राइट? एक पैराग्राफ करेंगे जहां पे मैं होम लिख दूंगा, बोलो ओके। एंड ऐसे ही मेरे पास बहुत सारे होंगे, ओके। लेट्स सी नाउ, ओके, लेट्स सी नाउ, ठीक है। तो इस टाइप का कुछ बना। अच्छा, एक और चीज, अब यहां पे देखो, ये क्योंकि आई हैव एडेड इट इन अ एंकर टैग, राइट? सो एंकर टैग में बाय डिफॉल्ट यहाँ पे कुछ ब्लू से कलर का ये आता है, राइट? तो मेरे को अगर वो नहीं चाहिए, मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं यहाँ पे जाऊंगा ऊपर टॉप पे, आई विल टारगेट माई एंकर टैग एंड text decoration I will do none, right? Text decoration I will do none, and color I will say white, okay, color I'll say white. Perfect, हो गया, sorted. कोई दिक्कत, समस्या, दुविधा, परेशानी? आई डोंट थिंक सो होगी। चले आगे। यहाँ पे क्या क्या है? सब्सक्रिप्शन है, शॉर्ट्स है, योर चैनल है, ओके, लेट्स डू इट। तो भैया यहाँ पे सब्सक्रिप्शन का है मेरे पास कुछ, ये आ गया, सब्सक्रिप्शन है, शॉर्ट्स का तो नहीं है, ठीक है। और क्या है? एक्सप्लोर एक डाल देते हैं, एक एक्सप्लोर डाल देते हैं, राइट? तो अभी मेरे पास एक 3 ही है ना? पहले 3 है, उसके बाद फिर बाद में है काफी सारे। तो कंट्रोल एक्स कर लूंगा इसको मैं, ऑल शिफ्ट एफ, कंट्रोल एस, ठीक है। आई डोंट थिंक सो यहां तक कोई डाउट होगा किसी को भी, क्योंकि मेरे पास 3 थे, तो अभी मैंने 3 डाल दिए हैं यहाँ पे। इसके बाद आगे जो आएंगे वो अपन आगे जाके कर देंगे, ठीक है, ठीक है। फटाफट से साइड बार को स्टाइल करते हैं, फटाफट से। साइड बार को अपन स्टाइल कर लेंगे, ओके। सो डॉट साइड बार, सबसे पहले व्हाट वी विल डू, बॉर्डर, बेस्ट थिंग, बॉर्डर 2 पिक्सल्स, सॉलिड रेड। The first and the foremost thing that you need to do is your border, okay? Sir, why not use your list? See, there is no point of using list over here, right? यहाँ पे list use करने का point नहीं था, because if I would be using list, right, then also I need to use this anchor tag and this image and this paragraph. मुझे list के अंदर भी यही सब डालना था, right? So there is no point of using list, okay? That's why I have not used it. Yes, this video will save. Yes, this video will be saved after live, okay? Sir, icon change in white. Okay, I'll change that icon. So earlier I thought that I would be making in light theme, but I'm now making in dark theme. So I need to change all the icons. So I will do that, right? Don't worry, I'll do the changing of icon by tomorrow. आज नहीं करते उसको, आज पहले बना लेते हैं। Width 15 पिक्सल्स के आसपास की width रहेगी कुछ, ठीक है। हाइट जो है would be complete 100 VH, 100 व्यू पोर्ट हाइट की हाइट रहेगी। पोजीशन मैं इसको दे देता हूं क्या, फिक्स्ड, कि भाई ये फिक्स्ड रहेगा एकदम से, ठीक है। टॉप से मैं दे दूंगा इसको 0। अब देखो, अब कुछ हुआ, अब कुछ होएगा, देखना अब। अरे ये तो ओवरलैप कर गया, isn't it guys? Is it overlapping? Do you see it is overlapping with that navbar? बोलो, कर रहा है ये ओवरलैप? Is it getting overlapped? Is it getting overlapped, जनता? Yes, it is overlapping. Now, how to solve this? What I will do? First of all, मुझे मेरी navbar को ऊपर लेके आना है, right? I want to bring my navbar above. So I will be using, भाई मेरे स्टिक। So to bring my navbar above, I would be using my Z index, okay? Z index, suppose I am giving 10, okay? So now what will happen? See, देख रहे हो, मेरा ये navbar ऊपर आ चुका है, right? और instead what I should give, लेट अस गिव से 100, राइट, इसको 100 देते हैं, और जो मेरा ये है, राइट, और जो मेरा साइड बार है इसको मैं z इंडेक्स देता हूं, z इंडेक्स टू 50 सपोज, राइट। लेट्स सी, ये देखो, इफ यू गाइज आर एबल टू सी, ये देख रहे हो, माय हैमबर्गर इज अबव दिस इमेज, कैन यू सी इट, कैन यू सी माय हैमबर्गर इज अबव दैट होम आइकन, राइट। सो दैट इज व्हाट आई वांटेड, है ना, यही तो चाहिए था मेरे को कि वो उसके ऊपर आ जाए, और वो उसके ऊपर आ भी गया, राइट, और वो उसके ऊपर आ भी गया। सो अगर मैं ये बैकग्राउंड कलर, अगर मैं ये बैकग्राउंड कलर मेरे नैव पे लगा दूं, if I apply this background color over here, so now you will see that yes, it is definitely getting above my sidebar, it is definitely getting above my sidebar, right। तो अब मुझे क्या करना है, अब मैं क्या करूंगा, ध्यान से देखो, मेरा जो साइड बार है मैं इसको पैडिंग दूंगा, मैं इसको क्या करूंगा, पैडिंग दे दूंगा टॉप से सपोज 80 पिक्सल्स की, राइट। ओके, डन, सॉर्टेड, इज इट सॉर्टेड, इज इट सॉर्टेड। और मैं थोड़ी सी साइड से भी पैडिंग दे दूंगा, राइट, पैडिंग लेफ्ट 20 पिक्सल्स, राइट। तो साइड से भी पैडिंग आ गई, राइट, आई गॉट माई पैडिंग फ्रॉम द साइड एज वेल एज आई गॉट माई पैडिंग फ्रॉम द टॉप एज वेल। बोलो कोई प्रॉब्लम, डू यू गाइज हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम सो फार, जनता? आई डोंट थिंक सो, नो प्रॉब्लम्स, नो समस्या, नो दुविधा परेशानी, कुछ नहीं, चलें आगे, चलो आगे चलते हैं फिर। ओके, so now we have this sidebar upper, okay, we have this sidebar upper, and inside this sidebar upper we have an anchor tag, inside that we have an image. Now I need to give width to my image, right, let us give him suppose say 20 pixels, right, let us give him say 20 pixels, okay। so ये मेरी images छोटी हो गई है, perfect, which is perfect, right। मैं थोड़ा सा margin दे दूंगा। अच्छा, हाँ, वन मोर थिंग, अब मुझे इस पे क्या करना है, एंकर टैग जो है मेरा, राइट, इस एंकर टैग पे आई विल अप्लाई अ क्लास नेम, आई विल अप्लाई अ क्लास ऑफ dflex, दैट्स इट, डन, कॉपी पेस्ट पेस्ट, सेव इट, लेट्स सी इट, इज इट गेटिंग साइड बाय साइड। मुझे थोड़ा सा गैप देना है, मैं थोड़ा सा गैप दूंगा, राइट, लेट मी ऐड गैप, सो मार्जिन राइट देंगे यहां से, मार्जिन राइट से 20 पिक्सल्स, मार्जिन राइट से 20 पिक्सल्स, दैट इज परफेक्ट। कोई दिक्कत, एनीबडी, एनी डाउट सो फार? आई डोंट थिंक सो। चले आगे। अब हम इस एंकर टैग को वो करते हैं, थोड़ा सा स्टाइल कर लेते हैं, राइट, लेट अस स्टाइल दिस एंकर टैग अ बिट, राइट। सो मैं थोड़ा सा मार्जिन दूंगा बॉटम में, राइट, मार्जिन बॉटम सपोज आई हैव गिवन 20 pixels, not 2, I have given say 20 pixels, I need to give margin bottom, okay, margin bottom 20 pixels मैंने दिया, let's see now, हाँ, this looks good, isn't it, this looks okayish, है ना, सही लग रहा है। थोड़ा सा इसको चेंज करेंगे हेडिंग्स को, सपोज शॉर्ट्स एंड सब्सक्रिप्शंस, ओके, शॉर्ट्स एंड सब्सक्रिप्शंस। तो जो मेरा पहला वाला है, राइट, सो जो ये मेरा पहला वाला, ये होम शॉर्ट्स एंड सब्सक्रिप्शन, SUBSCRIPTION, सब्सक्रिप्शन, ओके, परफेक्ट, सी, सही लग रहा है। Okay, sorry, my bad. Let us go in English. I was in flow. I was in Hindi. Okay, so will okay. I'll go in English. I'll go in English. No worries. I'll go in English. Okay, no worries. What does Z index do? Okay, so let me tell you what does Z index do. Okay, suppose we have these two items. Okay, suppose we have these two items. So this is my hand like this, right? So my right hand, right? My right hand is in front and my left hand is at the back. Okay, my right hand is in front and my left hand is hiding behind my right hand. And if I want my left hand to come in front, okay, So I will say I will give more Z index to my left hand, right? So left hand will come in front and right hand will go behind. Okay, right hand will go behind. Okay, so but you have to make sure that Z index only works with position. Suppose absolute, relative, sticky, fixed. With these positions it works. Okay, it will not work on static position and all, right? To give Z index you need to give the position first. And with Z index what you can do with Z index, what you can do, you can place the items, the elements which are hiding behind, right? You can get them in front. Okay. Karthike, not possible, bro. I need to finish this complete in 2 days only, right? So I need to take the class. Sorry, bro. I'm so sorry for that. You can, if you want to leave, you can leave. The lecture will remain and you can see it later on. Okay. So now what happened? Okay. Now what happens? Okay. Perfect. Okay. Okay. So इसको देखो आप. Okay, not this. Yeah. Now this thing is highlighted. Okay. मैं जिस पे hover कर रहा हूँ, right? या जो मेरा current active चीज है, that is always being highlighted. Okay. So मैं क्या करूंगा? So what I will use for that? Just see this thing very carefully. It is important. Okay, it is important. So जो मेरा साइड बार का एंकर टैग है, साइड बार के एंकर टैग का फर्स्ट चाइल्ड इसको मैं क्या दे देता हूं अभी के लिए? बॉर्डर. ओके, बॉर्डर. So what I am giving now, see, it only targeted my first child. Right? So now what I am trying to do over here, just try to understand this very carefully. Okay, what I am trying to do it over here is basically, मैं इस जो मेरा पहला चाइल्ड है, मैं उसको क्या कर रहा हूं? कुछ स्टाइल देने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं. ओके, सो मे बी नॉट मार्जिन बॉटम, पैडिंग दे देते हैं. ओके, 15 में थोड़ा सा ज्यादा लग रहा है. 14 नहीं, 12 दे दो. This will work, I guess. Yes, it works. One more thing, Janta. One more cheese is left. Arey. Okay, my bad. Let's see it. This looks perfect. Okay, this looks perfect. And border radius, suppose say 10 pixels का border radius दिया मैंने इसको हल्का सा. Okay, and I will give background color to this maybe. Yes, it looks cool, isn't it? क्या कहते हो? Does it looking good, Janta? Does it looks good? Priyanka, might be a chance you need to play around the sizes because you must have downloaded some different item जो कि बड़े size में है, तो थोड़ा सा size के around खेल लो. You will get that. Okay, you will get that. You have to play around the sizes. You will get that. No worries. यार हिंदी में I know हिंदी में understanding is better, but I need to go bilingual. No. Sir, make the sidebar button and make the slide 4. I will do that. Whenever we click on this hamburger, it will toggle. I will do that. No worries. Okay. So now see, whenever I hover, right? I want to do something. Okay. So I want to do same thing. I want to do same thing when I hover. I want to do same thing. Okay, let's see it. ये देख रहे हो? Yes. यस, थोड़ा सा कुछ करेंगे, काम करेंगे अपन, थोड़ा सा मार्जिन बॉटम 2 पिक्सल्स का मार्जिन देंगे, दैट्स इट, डन। अरे हुआ क्यों नहीं? ओके मैंने कहीं और दे दिया क्या? कंट्रोल, अच्छा, I need to give it over here. Let's see now. Yes, it looks good now. जनता क्या कहते हो? Which should we use, icon or images? I would prefer icons. Okay, I would prefer icons. Icons. I would prefer icons. Okay. Done hai? Anybody any doubt so far, or shall I move further? Shall I move further? Okay, perfect. So if you guys have, oh my god, मैंने close कर दिया. If you guys have no doubts, then let us continue. Let us continue by doing this. HR. See, now I have added a HR tag, right? Now what does this HR will do? This HR will provide a line over here. इसने एक line draw कर दी यहाँ पे बहुत प्यारी सी, और मैं यही same चीजें, right? All these same things, I'll just a second. I will paste it here. Save it. Okay. ये हुआ color. Yes sir, proceed. Okay, perfect. Move on. Perfect. तो now see what I am doing. I am doing nothing, but मैंने एक HR tag लिया और मैंने थोड़ा सा list को enhance कर दिया. That's it. I have done nothing, but I have enhanced the list. So your channel history playlist. So I'll try to add as many images as I have. So history की images है, channel की images है क्या? Okay, so let us try to do all these things, right? Let us try. Where is my HR? Here is my HR. So इसके बाद क्या है? Just a second, guys. Channel history playlist. Okay. So first I will do channel history playlist. Your videos. Okay. Your movies watched later, liked videos. Your movies watched later, liked videos. Your clips. Your clips and all. Okay. So what is the use of JS in it? Please explain. So we will use JS for toggling the buttons, right? Toggling that navbar and play. When we'll play the video, we'll do comments, we'll do likes, share, right? So all those things, commenting part and all those, we will use, right? Okay, let's see now. Let's see. Is it too hard? I don't think so. It's too hard. Really? Do you think it's hard? Really? Do you think it's hard? No, guys, it's not hard. Come on, please. Okay, so from where I need to start? Here. Channel से मुझे start करना है. So do I have button? Okay, तो ये cast है. Maybe I can use this cast button over here in the channels, right? So cast button I am using, cast icon I am using in the channels. History के लिए I have history button. Okay, I have this history button. Playlist का है कुछ? Yes, playlist का है मेरे पास. So playlist, I will add my playlist. Your videos नहीं है. Your videos नहीं है मेरे पास. Okay, कोई बात नहीं. Your movies का है. नई movies का भी नहीं है. let's do one thing. Instead of videos, let's add this library and यहाँ पे मैं लगाता हूँ library.png, ठीक है। और क्या है, एक्सप्लोर लगा देते हैं एक जगह पे। एक्सप्लोर लगाया हमने कहीं? एक्सप्लोर नहीं लगाया ना, तो let us add explore. Okay, so instead of your movies, I will add explore. So explore I will add over here, right? Watch later है, हाँ JS कल होगा। Yes, it's too simple if you have basic, exactly. No, I said I will prefer images. I always prefer images. 20 more minutes. Okay, 20 more minutes. Okay, I guess it should work now. Okay, fine. It's fine. Is it fine? Is it fine? Does it looks good? I guess yes, it is looking good. Yes, it is looking good, जनता. What do you guys say? सही लग रहा है अब तक? है ना? Okay, perfect. Then let me place one one HR here. Alt Shift F, Control S. It looks good, yaar. It looks so neat. It looks so clean, right? Okay, now comes our main section. Okay, I always prefer images. Okay, I always prefer images. Yes, sir, it's premium. Yes, it looks good. Okay, so यहाँ पे जब हम hover करेंगे, so it is like this. Whenever I'm hovering, it's like this. और जो मेरा open है वो वैसा दिखेगा. Perfect. Now let's start making this section, the main section, right? Let's now start with the main section. Okay. करें start? क्या कहते हो जनता? बची है हिम्मत? Okay, so let's do it. मैं इसको क्लोज कर दूं, ये मेरा साइड बार खत्म, राइट? ये मेरा साइड बार खत्म, ये मेरा नैव बार खत्म. So now comes explain for please show first sliding then we move to it. स्लाइडिंग यार कल करते हैं ना यार, जेएस वाला पार्ट है ना, जेएस पार्ट विल कल करेंगे. सॉन्ग्स लगाना सर, सॉन्ग्स लगाऊं भाई? मैं लगा तो लूं, देखो मुझे सच में बहुत पसंद है सॉन्ग्स लगा के पढ़ाना, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर कि विल दे अलाउ मी और नॉट. ठीक है, सॉन्ग्स नहीं लगाते हैं, बाद में देखेंगे सॉन्ग्स का. ठीक है, सॉन्ग्स का विल सी लेटर ऑन. ओके, ओके, राइट, चलें आगे चलें. अच्छा, उनकी फोटोज. ओके 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 ओके, that we will do. So this is my main section, right? Let us now start with the main section. Okay, so dot main container, right? So this is my main container. Inside my main container, what we have? Inside my main container, we have few cards, maybe cards container. देखो अब, now let us analyze. अच्छा, हमने analyze नहीं किया अभी. Okay, so let us first analyze what we have in this main container. Okay, so this is my main container, right? And inside this main container, what I have? Inside this main container, what I have one card. Okay, we have one div, right? We have one div like this. Is it? We are having this div, है ना? And inside this div, what we have? Inside this div, we have this thing. We have one image, right? We have one image inside this div, and we have one more div over here. We have, अरे यार, Okay, so we have one more div over here like this. Just a second, guys. We have this div again, right? We have this div again, and we have one more thing. We have this div over here. तो समझ रहे हो कितने सारे divs है, कितने सारे divs है. So we have one div, right? We have one div, right? We have second image, right? Then we have a lower div. Then inside that lower div, we have two things. One is this image wala div, and then comes this part, right? Then comes my this part, right? So let us now analyze this, okay? इसको analyze करते हैं और बनाते हैं. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? We will make a dot card, okay? Dot card कर लो, चलो, ठीक है, card. Inside that card, what we have inside that card? We have a div dot thumbnail container, right? We have a thumbnail container. Then we have a dot details container, right? अब इस डिटेल कंटेनर्स में एक और div है, dot logo container, right? Then we have dot details, right? Okay, so अभी तक मैंने क्या बनाया, ध्यान से समझना. Now what I have made so far, right? So मेरे पास एक मैंने कार्ड बनाया, उस कार्ड के अंदर एक थंबनेल का कंटेनर बनाया और एक डिटेल्स का कंटेनर बनाया. Now inside that details container, I have added this logo container and these details. Okay, I have added this logo container and these details. Now inside that details, I have one h1 tag. We have one paragraph tag, two paragraph tag, right? We have one paragraph h1 and two paragraph. Okay, let's see. One h2. Let's take an h2. Then we have a paragraph tag. Then we have another paragraph tag. Arey yaar, guys, come on. Then we have another paragraph tag. Alt Shift F. It's done. Here and here, I would be adding some images. Yes, I will add that. Here comes my some text. I need to copy that. Just a second. Let me copy it. Okay, let us copy this. Complete. Copy. And I will paste it over here. Okay. So, okay, perfect. क्या था ये? Bollywood songs and ये यहाँ पे आएगा. Okay. ठीक है. Control X. Suppose something like this. Control X. Suppose something like this. Or Shift F. Control S. Let us see now. ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ है. हमारा कैसा बना है? Let's see. Wait. हाँ, ओके, अभी हमारा ऐसा आ रहा है. परफेक्ट, नो वरीज. सो नाउ अंडरस्टैंड, नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. अब हमें क्या करना है? लेट अस फर्स्ट स्टाइल दिस मेन कंटेनर, राइट? लेट अस फर्स्ट स्टाइल आवर मेन कंटेनर. ओके, इसके अंदर का बाद में करते हैं स्टाइल. मेन कंटेनर को स्टाइल करेंगे अपन. बॉर्डर, द फर्स्ट थिंग, बॉर्डर 2 pixel solid red. Okay, this is the first thing that you need to add. Okay. Now try. Now see. We will give certain padding. Okay. Padding from my left. Would be, say, 17 pixels. Right? Let us see. Nahi aaya. Why it didn't came? Okay, let's give margin. Margin left if I give. What happened? Arey? What is happening? Main container, right? Main container border to laga hai. Acha, okay. Sorry, my bad. Instead of I need to give percentage, right? Not pixels. I need to give percent. Sorry. My bad. Okay, now it looks perfect, right? Now it looks perfect. Okay, it was my bad. No worries. Now, what does I need to add? What does I need to add? I need to add certain padding. Padding inside this. Padding right maybe. Padding from the right side and padding from the left side as well. Padding left also I will add, suppose say 2%, and padding right also I will add say 2%. Okay. Padding right also I'm adding 2%. Fine. Is it fine now? Right? ये मेरा एक container बना है. Let's see. Yes, it is a container. It looks good. Okay, it looks good. I believe it looks good. Now let us start designing my card. Okay, let us start designing my card. Perfect. Now, dot card. Border. सबसे पहली चीज. Border. 2 pixels. Solid. Green. Let us see now. Okay. This is my card. I need to define its width. I need to define its width. Suppose I am defining 250 pixels, right? I am defining 250 pixels as the card's width. Okay. Which looks cool, which looks fine. Not 250, let us say 450. Will it look good? No, not really. Let me first reduce this. Okay, let me first reduce this. हम सिर्फ इतना ही रखते हैं अभी इसको, बाद में we'll figure it out later on. Okay, not 450, let us say 300. Okay, let us say 300. Okay, let me take one banner, right? Let me take one banner. So I have few banners with me. Wait just a second. Okay, so not this. Okay, I have this thing. Let me copy it over here, and I will use this as the banner. Okay, rename thumbnail, not banner, thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail.jpg. So over here, in here, I will use my thumbnail. Okay, so this is my thumbnail. Thumbnail.jpg. Is it fine? Let's see. What do you guys say? Will it work? Yes, yes, no, yes, no. What? Okay, it looks very big. Oh my god, it really looks very big. No worries, no worries. So what I will do now? What I will do now is basically I will add a class name. Okay, I will add a class name over here. Let's add a class thumbnail image, right? Let's add a class called thumbnail image. I will copy this and we will style it here with say 100%. Okay, with say 100%. This looks good. Fine. Does it looks good? I don't think so. We need this thing. I don't think we need this. It looks fine. Okay. Okay, this looks cool. क्या कहते हो जनता? ठीक लग रहा है? Okay. Let's copy this. Let's copy this card. Let's copy this card. Okay. So we have done few things. ये कहाँ से खुल गया? बंद हो जा भाई, तू कहाँ खुल रहा है? Now see, now it is like this. Okay, now it is like this. I want it in side by side. I want it in side by side. So what I will do? I will do one simple thing. I will do one simple thing. That is my deflex. That's it. खत्म. ठीक है. No worries. No worries. No worries. यहाँ पे I will give flex wrap. That's it. हुआ? बोलो हुआ? Perfect. थोड़ी सी width ज्यादा है, इसकी width को कम करेंगे. Let's suppose I am giving 250 pixels. Suppose. हाँ. Now it looks perfect. Okay. And margin दे देंगे थोड़ा सा. Margin right. Say 10 pixels. or maybe say 30 pixels will work. ज़्यादा हो गया. Let us remove this. What do you guys say? ठीक लग रहा है? थोड़ा सा और बढ़ा सकते हैं, I guess, अब 28. We can give 30 as well, will work. ओ यार 30 भी नहीं चल रहा है. 29 दे दो, छोड़ो, will work. नहीं, 28 is the last. 28 is the last pixels that I can give. Okay, perfect. If I remove this border, as well, let's see now. Border white, sir. Border white, yes, sir. Okay. Now, in my card, color white. Okay, let's do color white. Okay, it is working. And margin bottom will be say 10 pixels. Let's see, is it working? Yep, but ज़्यादा कर लेते थोड़ा सा, maybe 20. Yes. Okay, so what we have, okay, अभी थोड़ा ज़्यादा space देना पड़ेगा मुझे. Margin bottom भी, margin bottom also say 40. Let's give. Okay, what do you guys say? ठीक लग रहा है? Sir, at least one video. We will add that. No worries, Janta. We will add the videos. Okay. I'm going to add a video, right? So whenever you will click, so you will be able to get that video. Okay. So we will add that video as well. No worries. Don't worry. Don't fear. I am here. Okay. So यहाँ पे अपन डालेंगे border radius से 20 pixels का border radius we will add. Okay, ज़्यादा हो गया. 20 pixels is way more. Let's give it 10 pixels. Okay, let's give it 10 pixels. Okay, let's see. Yep, it works. What do you guys say? Is it works? Is it working? 20. Powering top. 20. दोनों से 20. हाँ, ये हुई ना कुछ बात. Perfect, Janta. Any doubts? Any doubts so far, guys? Do you have any doubts so far? No? Okay. If you guys have no doubts, then let's do it. Let's do it like this. Okay. Yeah. Nice, man. Okay. So in this, I will add class name. I will add class name as this. I will add class name as user image. Okay, I will add it as user image. Okay. Where is it? Here it is. Paste it. Save it. Let's see. Array, reload. What happened? Okay, no worries. So मैं logo container के अंदर जो user image है उसको style कर लेता हूँ. Okay. So inside my logo container जो मेरी user image है, border radius 50% and width 25 pixels. Let's see. Ah, it works. It works. It works, guys. It works. Copy this. Paste it. ठीक है. मैं logo container को भी क्या दूंगा? I will give deflex. ठीक है. I'll give deflex to my logo container as well, and I will say it align items flex start. Okay, I will say it align items flex start. Okay, so don't worry. Let's not give this. हटा दो इसको, बाद में देंगे, छोड़ो. Let's remove that. Save it. Let's see. Yes, it looks fine, I guess. नहीं? क्या कहते हो? Does it looks fine? Margin right, 25 pixels or 35 pixels would work. हाँ. Okay. So यही same चीज. What I will do this same चीज with everybody. Okay. So I'll copy this. Let me delete this all. Right. So let me delete this and let me delete this as well, and I will do this same for everybody. जितने मर्जी कर लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Right. Okay. Yes. We get something. We get a look. Right? So deflex is nothing but it is just a class, right? Deflex is nothing but it is just a simple class, right? To which I have given, see here is deflex. Okay, let me show you. So here is deflex, right? Deflex is a class to which I have given display flex and align item center, right? So anything that I want to give a display flex, I give him a class. That's it. I give him a deflex class. That's it. Nothing else. Sorry, nothing else. Okay. Is it perfect? Does it looks like YouTube? does it looks like Sasta YouTube? Is it? Does it looks like Sasta YouTube, Janta? Is it looking like a Sasta YouTube? Okay, so I guess yes, that's it for today. Right? Tomorrow we will add. Sir, no battery dead होने वाली है. अच्छा ठीक है भाई, ठीक है भाई, मैं खत्म कर रहा हूँ. I'm ending. No worries, I'm ending. Okay. Okay then, Janta. Tomorrow I would be having some more icons and all. Git repository. Git repository. Okay, so how can I? Just a second. Let me make a Git repo. Okay. Maybe I can do it right away. Let me make a Git repo. Okay, and we'll send you the Git repo. Just a second. Just a second, Janta. Give me few minutes. I will add a Git repo and will share it to you. What happened? Just a second, guys. Okay, new Git repo. YT clone. Let's upgrade. Create repository. Just a second. ये मैंने साइड में कब किया? Okay, anyways. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Vaibhav. Get in it. What happened? यार एक तो साइड में क्यों आ गया यार ये, इसको नीचे आना भाई. Okay, terminal, perfect. Okay, so git init, perfect, git add space dot, copy this, paste it, save it. Okay, so I have made a git repo, right? And let me share it to Let's Upgrade, and they will add it. Okay, so I have made the git repo and they will add it in the Notion doc. Okay, so you can get the git link from there, right? So I have already added it. Okay, so yes, I guess yes, we are good to go. Okay, we are good to go, and let's upgrade. We can end this session. We'll meet again in tomorrow's sessions. Okay, Janta. Till then, bye bye. Good night. Have a good sleep.